Good morning to all the students. Yesterday we have started with the new topic, that is numerical methods to solve ordinary differential equations. Yesterday we discussed the Picard's method, that is by Picard's method how can we solve ordinary differential equation. In this lecture we will discuss Euler's method to solve ordinary differential equation. So again consider the initial value problem. dy by dx is equals to function of x comma y at x naught is equals to y naught. The Euler's method is based on the property that in a small interval a curve is nearly a straight line. Thus if x belongs to the closed interval x naught comma x1, a small interval, we approximate the curve by the tangent at the point x naught comma y naught. The equation of the tangent at x naught comma y naught is y minus y naught dy by dx x naught comma y naught into x minus x naught. So substituting the value of dy by dx as per the given ordinary differential equation, it is function at x naught comma y naught into x minus x naught. So by rearranging the terms, y is equals to y naught plus x minus x naught into function at x naught comma y naught. Assuming values of y as y1 y2 up till yn corresponding to xn is equals to x naught plus nh, where n is 1 2 and so on, and h being small, we have from equation number 2 y1 is equals to y naught plus x1 minus x naught function at x naught comma y naught. Basically in equation number 2 we have substituted x1 in place of x and y1 in place of y. Thus y1 is the approximate value of y for x is equals to x1. Similarly we can find y2, it is y1 plus h times function at x1 y1, and hence we can generalize the result as yn plus 1 is equals to yn plus h times function at xn yn. N starts from 0 1 2 and so on. The Euler's method is very slow. We have to take h very small to obtain the accuracy in the result. Consider example on Euler's method. Use Euler's method which with h is equals to 0.1 to find the solution of the equation dy by dx is equals to x square plus y square, with y at x is equals to 0 is 0 in the range x lying between 0 and 0.5. Here we have dy by dx is equals to function at x comma y is equals to x square plus y square. We know that Euler's formula is yn plus 1 is equals to yn plus h times function at xn yn. As per the given differential equation, function x comma y is equals to x square plus y square. So we have replaced function xn yn by xn square plus yn square. On substituting values in the above formula, putting n is equals to 0, we have y1 is equals to y naught plus h times x naught square plus y naught square. Value of x naught and y naught both are 0. So we have substituted these values and we have obtained y1, that is y at 0.1 as 0. Again putting n is equals to 1 in the above formula, we get y2 is equals to y1 plus h times x1 square plus x2 square, sorry x1 square plus y1 square. So substituting value of y1 which is 0, substituting value of h, substituting value of x1 and y1, we obtain 0.001 which is the value of y2, or we can say that it is the value of y at x is equals to 0.2. Similarly we have calculated y3, y4 and y5. So Euler's method helps us to find the value of the to find the solution of the ordinary differential equation at different values of x. Thank you.